So we're coming back to Dr. Asma's question about the PowerPoint file. I prefer using the full screen. When you choose here, click here to select. Enable Share System Audio. Activate it. When presenting, I don't show videos in PowerPoint due to issues. I play videos from my device. I open it from here. You can see my screen with the virtual classroom folder. I can open the video here for students. It's better for you to enable Share System Audio. When presenting, I avoid showing videos in PowerPoint due to issues. I play videos from my device. I don't have a video now, but I can open it. You can see my screen with the virtual classroom folder. I can open the video for students to see. I can play a video from YouTube. That's why I said to enable Share System Audio when sharing. I always get my video from my device. Either the video is here and I open it, or I play it from YouTube without any problem. When sharing the screen, enable Share System Audio to ensure sound plays. Without it, students see the video but hear no sound. With it, both video and sound come through. That's for the full screen. Now about the window. And I can also open YouTube, enable the Share System Audio option. Without it, students see video without sound. With it, they see and hear. Sharing a window means showing only that window, like a PowerPoint, regardless of other navigation. They see only that. The sound will appear if that option is enabled. Without it, students see the video without sound. If enabled, playing a YouTube video will show both video and sound to students. That's for full screen. What does sharing a window mean? It means showing only a specific window, like a PowerPoint file, regardless of other activities on your device. Students will only see the shared window, nothing else. Now, I'll handle this part with you. I'll go to the sharing option, select share window, and then share the screen with you, specifically the Alcocer University page. What does sharing a window mean? If I have a specific window to show, like a PowerPoint file, students will only see that window regardless of my navigation. Now, I'll handle this part. I'll go to the sharing option, I'll select share window, then I'll share a window with you. We'll agree on sharing the Alcocer University page. I'll move around and you can tell me if you see anything else or just the page. This is a trial for you to see. Now, I'll stop sharing. Choose a window and select a different page. You can tell me what I'm sharing. Okay? So right now, I'm going to come with you and handle this part. I'm going to go here and select the sharing option. I'm going to do share window, all right? Then I'll go back and share the screen with you, but I'm going to share a window. We'll agree on the window that I'm going to share, which is the Alcocer University page. And I'm going to start moving around. And you tell me if you see anything else, or just the Alcocer University page. This is just a trial, so you can see it for yourselves. Now, I'm going to stop sharing. And then I'll come here, choose a window, and select a different page. You can tell me what it is exactly that I'm sharing. Okay? Right now, I've opened the Blackboard page, and it says Student 6 at the top left here. Can you all see it? Student 6, is it clear to you? Can you see it? All right. Now I'm going to start navigating. I'm going to switch and go to the desktop. I've just opened my desktop. Did you all see the desktop? I've switched to the desktop, okay? So now I'm going to share my screen with you. I'll stop this part and share the full screen along with the system sound. So now I've clarified that I'm currently sharing the application screen in the window. When you choose a window, of course, when you open multiple windows, the window you select is the only one that will appear in front of the student, no matter how much you switch around. And here also, if I go to Chrome and select, for example, the page for Alcocer University in the Chrome browser, then that's the only page or tab that will show to the student. Nothing else will appear to the students no matter how much you switch between tabs. Why? Because you only shared that specific tab. The only option that shows everything to the student is the full screen. The full screen is what allows the student to see everything you are navigating through. In Chrome, if I now select, for example, the page for Alcocer University in the Chrome browser, then that's the only page or tab that will show to the student. Nothing else will appear to the students, no matter how much you switch between tabs. Why? Because you only shared that specific tab. The only option that shows everything to the student is the full screen. The full screen is what allows the student to see everything you are navigating through. Got it? That's the only way for the student to see everything you're moving through. That's regarding this part. Got it? The student needs to see everything you're navigating through, no matter how much you switch. That's regarding this part. So right now I'm sharing with you, I'm going to open the PowerPoint file. You'll see the PowerPoint file. I'm going to open the desktop. You'll see the desktop. I'm going to open Firefox. You'll see Firefox. I'm going to open Microsoft Edge. You'll see Microsoft Edge. Why? Because this is the only option through which share your screen or app with students. Prepare by organizing folders and ensuring no personal items are visible. That's why, to explain, I share the screen or open the YouTube video in Chrome. If the video is on my device, I can open a window. Sharing the full screen shows everything. I need to be prepared, with folders ready and no personal stuff visible. Everything should be simple and clear. Then I can show the video or a PDF file. Any issues? Let's check the chat. Can we share an iPad without other sites? Okay. And the video will be in this window only, or I will bring up the entire screen and do full screen sharing. And then as long as I have done full screen sharing, I will open it and the students will see everything I open. Okay. So I will be the only one who is prepared, meaning I am ready that the specific folders that I will open in front of the students are on my desktop. There are no secrets or privacy. I want everything to be simple and clear, really straightforward and easy. I can start putting the video in front of the students or open anything, like a PDF file, so they can see that file. That way, everything is simple. So, do you have any issues? Let's check the chat. Can we share another device like an iPad without using other sites? Regarding sharing the iPad, no, you can't share the iPad directly without using other sites. In this case, you need to open the virtual class from a laptop. So the iPad's sharing device is different from the laptop you're using to run the virtual class. You mean there would be two screens? I don't think the system allows that. I haven't tried it or seen it, but I don't think we can share that here. Sharing options are clear. No screen type here. By screen, I don't mean an iPad or external device. I mean the device I'm using for the virtual class. That's the screen, the device I'm using now. It's not a physical screen or external device. It's my device, the screen I'm using now. That's sharing the application and screen. The shares are clear. By screen, I mean the device I use for the virtual class. It's my current device for the class. This is sharing the app and screen. Dr. Mohammed says he tried connecting another device, but both screens need a specific graphics card to act as one. So when I say screen, I don't mean a physical device. It just means it's not an external device. It's my own device, the screen I'm working and explaining from now. If the doctor is connected to the computer to explain, okay, Dr. Mohammed tried this part. He tried connecting another device here, but both screens need to be connected through a specific graphics card, so both screens act as one. The system sees them as one screen. I haven't tried it. Hopefully, we'll find an external device and clarify later. Dr. Mohammed says, Sir, okay, Dr. Mohammed, sir, I tried this part specifically. I mean, I got it. Okay, Dr. Mohammed here says that he tried it. He got it, for example, another device in this condition, but the two screens must be connected to them like a card, meaning a specific type of graphics card. A specific type of graphics card, meaning that the two screens are like one screen. So the two screens act as if they're working like one screen, as if the system sees them as a single screen. I can feel them as one screen, but honestly, I haven't tried it myself. So hopefully, we'll try to find an external device and clarify it for you later, God willing.